What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special video for me. It's something that I've been working on for what seems like forever, and it's finally slowly coming together. So a little background. I always worked in medical field and cosmetology. When the pandemic hit, after the lockdown and everything, I decided to quit my medical job and do cosmetology full-time 2 years ago. And now, about a year into it, I started looking for places to rent or to buy to open up a salon. And I finally found one of almost a year of looking and figuring out the numbers and trying to get a business plan going, all of that. I finally found a place to call a salon. So after 2 years of hustling and bustling, and then after 1 year of looking, I finally found a spot that I think is a great start for me. And here is the tour. Few things. I did announce it on Instagram and Facebook, Instagram Live and Facebook, that I opened, and I gave a little tour, and there were some questions that people wanted answered. One of them is, am I gonna have a grand opening? I am gonna have a grand opening, so we're gonna get a little adulting here. So basically what I'm doing, the salon was there already. A lot of that furniture was already there. We're transferring ownership, so that takes some time. Once everything is finalized under my name, I will do a grand opening. I'm looking for some time in September. I don't know quite yet when, but that's the month I'm shooting for. I should figure out a date by sometime at the end of July. So yeah, it will be invitation only, because although I would love to invite anyone and everyone, my space is limited. So for those people that are invited, you will know as soon as I know, basically, okay? I did create an app to schedule any appointments. Basically, you don't have to download the app. You don't have to create a username, login, none of that. I basically just send you the link, and I'll leave the link down below. You just schedule your appointment. I do require a credit card on file now moving forward, because of a cancellation policy that I have to make up. At the end of the day, I have to protect my business, and unfortunately there are some people out there just looking to waste your time, and I just basically want to eliminate any troublemakers coming into my space. So that's really what that is for. The app took me days to make, so please go give it some love, because I worked really hard on that. I took many hours creating this app. And if you are in the beauty business and you're looking to do a scheduling app, use my link down below. You get credit, and then I get a little credit as well, because you do have to pay for the app monthly. But if you log in under my name, then you can get some credit and I get a little bonus as well. My hours are Tuesday through Saturday. It fluctuates between 10 or 11 a.m. and then I'm there till 7 p.m. Saturdays are a little tricky because I do weddings and mainly they are on Saturdays. So that might be a little bit limited depending on the weddings that I take and such. But for the most part, it will be Tuesday through Saturday. Sunday, Mondays are my days off, so don't bother me. And the location, so I am in Landisville. It is the Buena Borough area. If you're familiar with South Jersey, it's right off of Route 50 or 40. It's right off of Route 40. It's about 15 minutes away from Hamilton, which is where I live. It's about 15 minutes from Mays Landing, another 15 minutes from Vineland. So I'm in like a decent area where it's not too far. Egg Harbor Township, probably like 30 minutes. It depends, I guess, where in Egg Harbor you're going. It can be from like 25 to 30 minutes. If you're coming from like the Philly area, like more closer over there, like Berlin and, you know, Marlton and all that, that may take about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Really depends where you're coming from. But yeah, if you guys want to hear about the adulting part of opening a salon and the application and the paperwork and everything that is required, I can do a video on that. I've definitely learned a lot throughout this process, but it is also a lot. It is a process. There's a lot that goes involved in doing all of this. So if you want to see a video on that, I'll be more than happy to do so. Just leave a comment below. It'll be more on the adulting side, not the creative side. I keep saying adulting because it's just like so much paperwork and numbers and calling people and yada yada yada. So if you want to hear that whole story, I will do a video on that. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say on the matter. I'm super excited to start working. I've already started working, but you know what I mean, to like really get rolling in there and slowly but surely start making it my own. There's a huge difference compared to what it was before and what it looks like now. So I'm very excited to just keep adding and making it more me. And yeah, I will leave those links down below for the booking app, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace out. And follow me.